I think it's recording. Let me check. There it goes.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, nice. Okay, talk to me about it.
I just made this because I don't think that the outer, like, exterior matters too much. And so this is the character, and I attached the camera through this so that whenever this capsule moves, the camera will move along with it. So it's a first person perspective. And then I'm going to find a way to make this somehow transparent so you can actually see what's inside.
Nice.
And then I'm going to add the 3D models in. I might have to make the building I might have to scale it a little bit bigger, but basically that's what I have so far. And I'm planning for the rest of tonight to add a character movement script so that the character can actually move. And then if I have time, also make a start menu.
Nice. That's a lot of good progress just since today.
So yeah, that's all.
Okay, thank you. I'll hit the stop recording.